Hey guys, today we're going to read a story called The Captain's Job. You've been doing a lot of work around characters and stories that aren't real. Today's story is nonfiction, which means that it's real, and it's about a captain and how important his job is. So the captain of an airplane has a big job. The captain has to make sure that the plane is safe. The captain needs to be able to make good decisions. There could be a problem before the plane takes off. The captain checks everything to be sure it is ready. The captain needs to decide if it is safe to fly. Then the captain has to figure out what to do if there is a problem while flying. Okay, so this was the introductory paragraph of a story that is 5 paragraphs long, and I'll keep introducing more and more paragraphs as we talk about main idea and supporting detail as your skill this week. I will have this pasted into the Google form for you to reference, and you have some questions to answer about it. Good luck.